So here's our problem. You see that? This is all fucked up. And it's been tightened really hard by some bell end, probably me. So we're gonna be drilling it, chiseling it, fucking smashing it. So I'm trying to get a deeper area so that we can maybe put a screwdriver in there.
Do not be a complete brainless twat like this, Dick, and do not think that screwdriver will move that bolt. You can, however, use a drill to make that hole bigger to stick a chisel in there.
I think that might be better off just taking it off, taking the suspension off and sending it to him with the carriers. So I'm gonna just unbolt it here and let you know how it goes. Okay, so we've got disc carrier all bolted on here. So I'm just gonna try and just take it off and send it to him with the disc and the carrier. Fuck it. Easier. Okay, when you take off the steering rack or this, rod end, tracking rod end, all becomes visible. So I've got this bolt to undo. And just the top, I think. So let's get on it. Okay, now we're gonna try and smash the shit out of it with a big
Eventually the cold will come off.
It's all off. So now I just need to take off the sensor and the caliper and we're done.